Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I want to show you unboxing and testing of mini UPS kit. Here you can see that mini UPS kit buy from daraz.pk. Now let's open it. There is input wire of this power inverter, 180 watt power inverter. There is positive and negative wire. There is cooling fan. And there is output to 20-volt wire. Now let's connect this. Dear friend, here you can see that input connection. There is input battery wire, positive and negative wire. To operate this, there is 12-watt battery. Dear friend, now let's turn on this battery charger. There is negative wire of this. battery. There is negative wire of this inverter. Here you can see that all connection have been done. Battery charger is turned on. Here you can see that. Dear friend, in next project I will make power station using this inverter. Here you can see that. Now that's all about from my this video. If you like my this video, then don't forget to subscribe. Also press bell icon for my next project notification. Have a great day.